Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can upgrade your outro videos on CapCut PC. So go to stickers and you're going to want to add in first the like button here. If you want to, just select this bounce in animation as well. I'm also going to adjust the video so that you can see the sticker a little bit better. It's fine. You can also like blur it out because this is the end of your video anyways, but if you don't want to, that's totally fine, but you'll need to, so you'll be able to see this, or you can just slide it to the right side so you can see it a little bit better. Okay, so we have like first, right? And you can also go to out and select the bounce out one, and then you're just going to add in the share button. Hopefully it will download. If there's a comment button, that's better, but if not, just like find it somewhere else. And you're also going to add in the subscribe button as well. I don't know why I'm not able to download these stickers, but you're just going to add that in, right? And then you are also going to add in some sound effects to it. So for instance, the like one, I like to go to audio here, and I like to add in the mouse single click for the like button here, so like that. And then for the share one, I also like to select that one. If you have the notification bell sticker, you can add in the bell ding one, this one, like here. And for the subscribe button, I like to usually use the swish button. It's not showing up, but I promise you it will show for yours, like here. You can also add it to the side if your video like has a person in the middle. And again, use the animation of the bounce in and the out. And I can't apparently download the sticker, so it's fine. Just leave it like that. But yeah, I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!